Homestead Handyman here. Going to show you the project that we're working on today. We have a problem with our well, and so we're going to have to get a new pump. They've already tried to pull it and it won't come out, so they're coming back today with their big truck because our spot is kind of landlocked where it is by other neighbors and stuff, and one of the neighbors gave us permission. So they're going to bring their truck here in a little bit and get that well pulled, hopefully, because the motor is stuck in the ground. Alright, let's go take a look at what we got. So we started to notice that we were having low pressure. And we found in this first filter right here chunks of plastic and stuff. And what happened is the impeller on the pump is starting to deteriorate, and we're finding parts of the impeller in that filter. Well, it was getting so bad it clogged it up. And now you can see the secondary filter is just unbelievably clogged. They were messing with it yesterday, so all this junk came through. And as soon as we get that well switched out, I'm going to change the filters. Let's go look at the rest of it. Well, this is our well. And we don't know how far it goes down. Now, we live in Florida, and I don't think you have to go very deep. We're going to find out today. But you can see how close that is to the neighbor's well. We had to take down a section of our fence here, and there's a drainage ditch over there. They're going to try to come in through that and then back up very carefully between his well and that fence and try to back in here enough to pull the well. Of course, in the one spot is this tree right over it. So we'll see what happens today about getting this all pulled out of here. Awaiting the well guys. Well, here they are. We're going to have to get across this drainage ditch here and get across over to here. Let's see how this goes. They locked in the four-wheel drive because we got to go up this hill. Okay, so now we have it backed in, but the tree is in the way. So he's raising the boom up, hoping to get over the tree and then be able to drop it down to the well. So you can see we barely got it in here, but now we got to see if we can break it loose. That's the next thing. So let's go see what happens. All right, here we go. We're trying to pull the pump out.
Is that black wire coming through already upside down? It was too. That's funny.
And there she goes. Going up.
Shit, that thing's been down there for 20 years. You might be able to just pull it and rip the thing. Dude, you're looking shitty for the camera. Come on. That's what my brother was saying. Y'all need to post this guy. Ready?
Yep.
We'll just lay it out that way.
If you need any well drilling services, give Earl's a call. There's their number if you're in the Ocala, Florida area. So that is our old nasty pump. Look at that. So we're down. We're not that far down. About 40 feet. So that's the new pump down there. They're getting the pipe in there. We're going to use PVC. The well is about 60 feet deep, and we go down about 23 feet to water, and the well pump sits halfway in between at about 42 feet. We're going to hook up new wire, so you got a pump and then a check valve, and that's what he's tightening up right now. So they've made the first connection, and now they're putting some heat shrink on the wires to connect the pump up to the first length of wire here. And then it follows on and will go down and be taped up.
I said, you know what? I got 3 kids at home.
And here we go, the pump's going in.
Just watch that yellow wire.
Yep.
Well, instead of water, we got oil. Nasty. Oh, running clear now.